This is EA1920iP3 indoor poster screen. Let's see how the technicians assemble the screen. First, we connect the base and the bracket with screws. Then we use a ruler to measure whether the distance between the two sides is consistent. Now we start to install the first EA640F2 cabinet, which is also fixed to the bracket with screws. The above cabinets are operated in the same way. But one thing to note is that the cabinets should be kept flat, so that the assembled screen is flat. Now we install the model box for the screen, and the LED screen content can be updated through iPad, mobile phone, PC, or laptop. Real-time playback and cross-platform publishing. Support USB or Wi-Fi, support iOS or Android device operation. It also supports music playback. Now we connect and arrange the lines. Then we now fix the EA640F2 cabinet by connecting the iron sheet.